What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. Today I'm going to be taking a look at a webcam that I picked up from my wife. So this is the Logitech C920S HD webcam. Now I picked this up from Best Buy. They got it right now for $59.99. I actually paid a whole lot less than this for this device. I had some credits and stuff over there, so I got it for $27.47. These cameras have been around for a long time. This is my first time picking one up. She's using a Mac Mini, and she doesn't have a camera on her monitor, so this is something I decided to pick up. And everything I've read about these, they're supposed to be pretty good, and it should work for her pretty good. So here are a few of the features, key features of it. It's a full HD 1080p for calls and video recording, HD autofocus and light correction, has stereo dual mics, 78-degree field of view, advanced capture software so you can go in and adjust the camera, has a privacy shutter and a clip-on design. This works with both USB 2.0 and 1.1. So those are a few of the key features and details. Here's the box. As you guys see, C920S Pro HD webcam, 1080p at 30 frames per second, autofocus, privacy shutter, and detachable. You can take the privacy shutter off. Here's the back of it, some more specs on it. Pretty much just a HD webcam. So let's go ahead and get this box open. I'm going to take a look at the content and maybe show how this device looks as well when in use. So I bought her one, but I actually need to buy me one because I don't have a webcam. But if this one works out, whoa, I'm tearing up the box there. So this one works out pretty good, then I may pick up something. But I was looking at the Brio. I think that's the name of it. That's the one I'm probably going to get for myself. But here's the packaging content, and that's all in the box. So this is the privacy shutter right here. Just gonna snap on, and then here's your camera. There it is, and then you're gonna have your paperwork here as well. So you get your your paperwork there, and here's your camera. So a little bit bigger than what I thought it was. Got some plastic here. Let's go ahead and get that off. I did a review of a camera not too long ago, and it was a little bit smaller than this one. But this one feels pretty heavy. And all the videos, let me get this tape off. All right, guys, so I got all of the plastic off of it, and here it is. But you guys see it has the Logitech on there, 1080p. This does swivel up and down. You got your two microphones there, and you got a pretty long cord here. I'd have to say maybe 3 feet, 2 feet, or something like that. You do have your quarter 20 plug right here where you can attach this to a tripod, and this part here, thought I got all the plastic off. So there it is there. If you want to set it on the desk or something like that, you can angle this, but this is also how you connect it to your monitor. I'm going to be hooking it to that. And then you have your privacy screen here that you can snap on. And this is how it goes here. When you don't want to use it, you can slide that back over it like that. And that is it. And this is type A. USB type A plug in there. So that is it for the unboxing. Let's go ahead and plug this in and try. All right, guys, so this is the Logitech C920S. I have it plugged into my Windows laptop, and this is the Windows camera app that we're using. Now, I'm not using any kind of video enhancement or audio external microphones at all. Everything you see right here is out of the box as far as the camera. This is shooting at 1080p, 30 frames per second. That's the highest video recording quality that you can do. So this is what you're going to get. Now, if I wanted to try and improve on the video quality or improve on the audio quality, I could plug in my external microphone or download something like the Logitech G Hub app, where you can go in and control things such as your contrast, brightness, white balance. You can zoom in a little bit closer if you don't want this 78-degree viewing angle, if that's field of view, if that's too wide for you. Now on the camera, there are two blue LED lights that you can see to let you know that it has power. Now I'm using two LED lights to left and right, and they're not cranked up very bright as far as on the brightness. As you guys see in the back, I got my blinds, a little bit of light coming in here, not any on the back, but that's all the lighting. And I have a ceiling light as well that's putting out some light. And it could be affecting the video quality, but for something like FaceTime, I think this is going to be great for her. Now, this is supposed to have autofocus, so let's see how well it autofocus on this little dude here. See if it'll pick it up. Let's try that again. And there it is. It took a little bit to pick it up. Let's see how fast it gets my face. Got my face pretty fast. Let's try that again. So picked it up. A little bit of focus hunting there, but for the price of this camera, man, that's not too bad. I don't think a lot of people are going to be doing that, especially not my wife. She's not going to be doing that kind of stuff with this camera, but out of the box, not too bad. These cameras have been around a long time. A lot of people use them, and it's not too bad. So let's finish the video off, guys. This is the Logitech C920S, straight out of the box, shooting 1080p at 30 frames per second. Wheels, gadgets, and more. I'm out.